Hi, my name is Clarissa Gomez.
And my name is Aurora Luna. And the purpose of our experiment is to inform the public about hydraulic fluids affecting the environment if deposited onto the soil and the surface of waters.
So hydraulic fluids are car oils that are used in the cars. Our hypothesis is which hydraulic fluid would be most harmful towards the environment. The three different types of hydraulic fluids that we used was power steering fluid, high mileage fluid, and brake fluid. Based off of our hypothesis, we believe that brake fluid will be the most harmful towards our soil.
Now, forms that hydraulic fluids affect the environment. They can affect them by, for example, any spills, any leaks, or any repairs. They also affect the animals, for example, the fish, if it gets into our water system, the cows, if it falls on the grass, and it can even cause them death.
So the materials we used for this project was a measuring cup, the three different types of hydraulic fluid, which is a brake fluid, the power steering fluid, and the high mileage fluid. We also used plastic funnels. We needed dirt, a permanent marker for labeling, and plastic cups. So we begin this experiment by getting three individual plastic cups and labeling them according to which hydraulic fluids we have. After that, we get our plastic funnels. We place dirt inside of them and make sure it's compact. That way it can replicate actual soil on the ground. And then after that, we got a measuring cup, and with each different hydraulic fluid, we measured it up to 6 ounces. That way it could be the same, and we poured it into the funnel. Once we poured it into the funnel, we waited 45 minutes for it to completely drain, so we could have like an accurate amount of how much oil would be deposited into the cup and we have left into the funnel.
We also did a graph, and our results were the high mileage was a 4.6, and our power steering was a 4, and our brake fluid was a 3.6.
So based off of our experiments and the evidence collected for the experiment, the brake fluid was the one that was most harmful towards the environment. At the very end, there's 3.6 ounces left into the cup. So that means the remaining of 2.4 ounces was left into the soil and didn't want to drain anymore after that. So our hypothesis was correct. We believe that the brake fluid was going to be the most harmful towards our soil. And the reason for that was probably because the oil was more dense as compared to the others that we had tested.
Now, some helpful tips in helping save our environment. We can fix any leaks on our vehicles, for example. Dispose correctly. We actually called Walmart and we called AutoZone. And if you do your own repairs, you can take them in, and it's for free, totally for free. You can just take them in, so it can be recycled. And if you perform any service work on your vehicle, make sure that you use the drain pan and the funnel to avoid any leaks getting into the soil or the ground. And perform periodic routine maintenance. So make sure your vehicle's okay, so it won't start leaking. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching.